गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, स्टडी विद अपाला इंजीनियरिंग एंड जनरल जियोलॉजी परवीन सिंह बुक। तो हम लोग स्ट्रेटिग्राफ ऑफ इंडिया चैप्टर 16 में टर्टरी ग्रुप का कर रहे हैं, जिसमें से कुछ पोर्शन रह गया है। तो हम इसमें करे टेबल रह गई है, असम हिमालय की और करे ले रहे हैं। तो ईओसीन्स डिवीजन है सिस्टम का, ईओसीन्स, ओलिगोसीन्स, मिडिल मायोसीन्स एंड प्लायोसीन। ओल्डर रॉक्स अपर जैंतिया सीरीज 100 मीटर, Oligocene Beryl series 500 meter 5000 meter thickness. Miocene lower middle, lower में आपका Sarma series and 4000 meter, Tepam series 1000 meter middle में. Pliocene upper Dupitila series 3000 meter और लोअर में आता है Dihing series 2000 meter thickness. Rock system. Tertiary of सिंध एंड बलूचिस्तान, ईओसीन, ओलिगोसीन, मायोसीन, प्लायोसीन। लोअर मिडिल अपर, लोअर में रानीकोट, मिडिल में लाकी सीरीज 150 to 800 मीटर, अपर में कर थार सीरीज 1500 to 2700 मीटर। ओलिगोसीन से लोअर मिडिल अपर तो नरी सीरीज 1200 मीटर टू 1500 मीटर। लोअर मिडिल अपर में गज सीरीज 300 मीटर और प्लायोसिन में लोअर मंचर सीरीज 3000 मीटर। अब इसी में हम आगे पढ़ने जा रहे हैं द ईओसीन सिस्टम। Definition and distribution. The Eocene system is the oldest of the Tertiary groups and chiefly marine in origin, having been formed in the gradually dwindling extensions of the seas. It is developed in the Kashmir Himalayas, Simla Himalayas, Assam Himalayas, Sindh and Balochistan and Salt Range in Pakistan. Classification. The Eocene systems were developed can be divided into three subdivisions. Lower, middle and upper. So these divisions are well represented by the Laki series, Rani Coats series and Kartars series respectively in Sindh, where they are best developed. Lithology. Sandstone, cells, clays and limestones are common rock types developed in Eocene system. These rocks, however, show great variation in their texture, structure and color from place to place, indicating quite unstable condition of deposition. The Eocene rocks are developed at many places on the southern flanks or Pir Panjals in Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu, outcrops of Eocene age are found near Resai in the forms of inlier around Sarban limestones. The sequence being similar to Subatu series of Shimlas is also named accordingly. Lithologically, they are made up of laterite zones at the base, followed upward by carbonaceous cells and nummulitic limestone. The Eocene rock of these areas are economically important as they yield coal from the pyritic cells and the piezolytic bauxite forming parts of the Subatu series is considered suitable for a refractory use. The Subatu series of Jammu rests unconformably over the Permo-Carboniferous rock and is overlain in a similar manner by Mori series. Subatu series of Eocene age is also developed near Simlas, where it forms a typical example of development of Eocene rock in outer Himalayas. Cells of red and grey color and sandstones forms the Subatu of Simlas. These are though geologically equivalent to Kartar's series upper Eocenes of Sindh. Other example of Eocene. Assam. Eocene rocks are exposed in many parts of Assam, such as Jaintia series in Shillong's plateau, Disang series in Upper Assam. The Jaintia series is made up of limestones and sandstones, which have yielded quite a good number of fossils. Bengal formations named as Jalangis, Silhat, and Copiles and containing variable thickness of cells indicating an assurine environment have been found in the East Bengal region. Gujarat exposed of rocks exposures of rocks of decidedly early Eocene age have been named as Khadi series in Kutch. Some isolated outcrops have also been found between Surat and Bharuch. Life among the common fossils of Eocene may be mentioned Foraminiferas and Nummulites notably, and the Optisus and Perforatus, Acylina, Granulosa, Orbitrilolites, Complaneta, Dictoconoides, Coki, Echinoids, Philocanthus, Syndenesis, Echinochimus, New Lictis, Conocylopenus, Rostratus, and Micrasters tumides. Lamely branch, Ostrias multicostata, O vesicularia, O Austria, है ना, O means Austria. Phera no num, Spondylus rexena, Vollicelas legumen, Gastropod, Circula polycesta, Conus ble groveri, Turritella, Helenesis, T. angulata, and also species of corals and cephalopods. The list of foraminifera fossils is very exhaustive. Oligocene's lower Miocene system. General information. Now well defined develops of a purely Oligocene rocks has yet been observed in Kashmir, the Punjab and Assam Himalayas. It is inferred that the regression of the seas was in great progress from this part during the Oligocene. In the Sindh and Balochistan areas, however, the extensions of the seas, though in regressions, continued to exist and receives sediments. Hence, it is in Sindh, Pakistan, that the best exposures of Oligocene Miocene systems are recorded. The Oligocene Miocene stratas of Sindh, it is divided into two series, Nari series and the Gaj series. Nari series is the made up of mainly of limestone in the lower region and sandstone and conglomerate in the upper regions. Both limestones and sandstones show considerable variations in color, which when traced upward, the series has yielded foraminiferous corals, echinoids, and lamely branch and gastropods. Fossils that indicate an Oligocene age. Its total thickness is about 1800 meters. The Gaj series, this overlies conformably the Nari series at most places and consists mostly of limestones of various lighter cells intercalated with gypsums and clays and enriched with sand, and the sequence of depositions point out to a gradual slowing from an original marine. Environmental fossils indicate an uppermost Oligocene lower Miocene age for the rock of Gaj series. The West Punjab, Jammu, Shimla, Himalayas, the Oligocene lower Miocene forms with modifications as dictated by environment have extensive development as indicated by deposits of brackish and freshwater origin in an almost contiguous and basins extending from northwest Punjab through Jammu to Shimla, Himalayas. Although separated presently by good distances, these Oligocene lower Miocene deposits so remarkable similarities in their stratigraphical and fossils character. The different important formation of this sequence are discussed briefly as below. Thank you. Please support it. Thank you.